I'm Charlie Silvia, an oral and maxillofacial surgeon from New Orleans, Louisiana. And I'm here to give a little bit of my personal experience with StellaLife, the gel, the rinse, and the sublingual spray. In my office, my everyday oral surgery practice, I give the Stella kits and gels to any patient who is having any discomfort post-operatively, or it appears that the healing is delayed. Now, quite honestly, it's not really feasible, but I think every patient would benefit from StellaLife, either gel, rinse, or sublingual spray. In addition, I've seen many patients through my hospital practice and connections who are going through radiation chemotherapy with oral lesions, painful burning mouth, that the Stella rinse has been fantastic and a huge help with these patients. So I can't give any higher endorsement for any of these post-operative oral rinses than what I'm going to give for you right now with StellaLife.